Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.